And you see, here is the advantage of the thumb, because you could still play at the tip and you're still okay. Keeping these relationship, yeah, so you're not twisting your wrist. So the relationship from the pinky to the thumb is never on a straight line with each other. They can appear like they're on a straight line on the keyboard, but not to each other. And then you got to know the Bermuda Triangle. So after you know this, then you find, and how do they connect? See, I'm mapping my landscape here because I just want to get these closer.